Li pa nécessaire pour gagner. Si ça gagne, on pas faire du bien avec lui. Li pa jamais nécessaire. Le gagner. Si ça gagne, on pas faire du bien avec lui. This is Paris New. This is Paris New. This is Paris new trailer. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go swap it. This is the new trailer we just bought. Ça c'est nouveau pied Paris. Brand spanking new. Disregard the dirt because côté nous se point là, nous pas c'est quelque côté qui gagne terre. But mardi nous pral bay laver encore, et pral faire final adjustment yo là-dedans pour kachita pour Paris kachita réellement bien souli. Li pas nécessaire pour gagner. Si ça gagne, on va faire du bien avec lui. Li pas jamais nécessaire. Lo gagne. Si ça gagne, on va faire du bien avec lui. So this is Paris nouveau pied Paris. L'el sous la terre. Nous qui connaît, c'est les slick pied li, l'el sous de l'eau. You pas trop close? Did I start the live?
Awesome, man. I do this driving stuff, man. I'm just a driver.
Let me do.
Just love driving.
Let me do this. I mette un bloc pour le capio. I mette le nom. Non, dès qu'on si pour le cap, on pas besoin de descendre net.
Yeah.
Non gagne là. Tout ça, man. Oh, quand on bloque ça yo.
That boy I'm blind. Ou pas de nous.
I didn't realize we had these in the car.
Little shit compared to this good shit.
Huh?
Yeah, but this
We need to. Shucks, man. Ooh, see that's how on New Year, man.
Hey, nigga, like he the only one that biting, man.
Yeah, maybe y'all niggas' skin is designed some other way because
Look at shit on my ass though. Put it on there.
Woo! Now I want to be taking up them. Now I can see them.
Look, I just get the shit down to stand. They drove way the fuck from
Iowa. Okay. All right. Jaffe.
It's the brakes.
Okay, you guys are gonna have to move the cars.
It's used to have brakes.
Oh shucks.
What?
This one is moving. Coach, let's Lap cool. That's okay. I don't just swap you bien vite. I don't just swap you bien vite. Allez, Jaffe.
Non, ouais.
Allez, on met à la ville.
Tu vas pousser tu les à faire côté.
Il pas besoin de faire back.
Get off live, dog. Let's work, bro.
Allez, on met à aller.
Phone in his hands, man. Tripping, bro. You do this shit any. This is your
Go,
boat,
go,
man.
go.
It's not nobody else's boat. You can do this shit any day. So did.
Allez, non, allez.
Yeah.
Y'all just don't understand.
Hell no, I don't. You don't live work with one hand, bro. It's your boat. You can always make a better video. I can hire somebody to come through for $100 and shoot spectacular video of us docking, bro.
There you go. Swap them. Ça, ça qui vient pour là, ça ou ça qui est léger. Oui, mes amis. Les petits bêtes, check up modem now. Okay, people. I just want to show you guys, get an idea of exactly what we're doing. You know. Come Vini.
Perfect.
Tout ça, non. Ou pas bon même fruits. Allez devant. Aye, aye, aye. Okay, we finished swapping the trailer. Now you notice the new trailer is in the back of this dude testing out his boat. Chouette l'eau. Nous fini swap trailer à Konya. We finished swap trailer à Konya. Et puis, if you notice that the new trailer is on the U-Haul truck, we're gonna go ahead and pull Pai out the water. You take it out marché?
Yes.
You take it out marché?
Yeah.
Oh. What does ça non? You take it just get avec code là.
Non, on est droit.
Ok. Non, ça m'a dit, si vous devez voir code là, bon, moi qui est code là, dame, de carré, dit le vol dehors. Pour le rentrer droite, nous devons faire avec moi. Go ahead, come down. C'est samouraï boy ici là, man. Boy ici là chargé, man. Paquet de big guy, pas qu'on qui qui est le Tibet ça yo, big guy, whatever they call them. Mon chat. Moi ça là en lait. Moi m'a prendre ça aujourd'hui encore. Not de l'eau ça. You're good. When it comes, I'm just gonna pull it in. I'm gonna go in the water. I think you're good right there.
Sure?
Yeah, keep going a little bit more because you know the boat is big.
Good right there. Yeah, I feel it's bucking a little bit. Should I go up a little bit?
No, stay right there.
You can go in some more. This is gonna be light when the boat is it's in the water.
Something said yeah?
I'm just trying to feel it real quick. Yeah. See what it feels like when you pull out. Just pull out. Just see what it feels like.
The only time you know when it feels like is when the weight is on it.
Well, that's all right.
The other boat is on it. Shucks, monsieur. That should be good enough. Let me go ahead and grab the cord. All right, people. No, pas fini. I'm gonna go in the water. I'm gonna get on this. No, but I'm gonna stand there. Let me keep him fell.
You want to lose that phone?
I'm gonna put it away. Come if you know to get my metal away. I'll stop live là. Alright people, I'm gonna have to stop the live soon. But once the boat come in, we're gonna have to stop the live. Maybe with la battery. Try your battery. Slow down! I'm filming. Yeah, you still. Okay. Spy at home. We're gonna buy your su trailer, yeah?
No, push that view.
Oh, okay. Probably parked at home. Beauty. Yeah, she's not adjusted right on her on the new trailer. I gotta take it back to the shop to get it adjusted. Avant toujours. To get it adjusted. We're gonna do that on Tuesday. Get it adjusted on Tuesday. Go help this dude put those things up on there. Vous allez mettre en pas long.
Hein?
Vous allez mettre en long comme ça. Pour
Glisser.
Pour glisser? Ok. Vamos camper lifestyle. Meadow. It's Paris. Florida. Beautiful. Beautiful, baby.